Hello, welcome back to the channel. There is an important connection between well-being and sustainability. Every step towards better well-being is a step towards a more sustainable world. In busy modern lives, we are more than ever completely drained, both mentally and physically. We often lack good quality sleep. Ever found yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to quiet your mind? And during the day, you are fighting brain fog and lethargy? Imagine if there was a way to recharge your batteries in just a few minutes, day or night. In this video, we're going to explore a powerful relaxation technique called Yoga Nidra. Let's explore the origins of that deeply relaxing practice called Yoga Nidra. It's a practice that can help you find deep rest and improve your overall well-being. Yoga Nidra, often called yogic sleep, has its roots in ancient Indian traditions. The term Yoga Nidra comes from Sanskrit, where yoga means union and nidra means sleep. But it's not just about sleeping, it's a state between waking and sleeping. Yoga Nidra is a state of conscious relaxation. It's a practice that helps you relax deeply while staying awake. This is how Yoga Nidra differs from regular sleep. Yoga Nidra, when practiced regularly, leads to well-rested sleep. It's a technique that's gaining popularity. Where did it come from? Let's unearth the fascinating history of Yoga Nidra through time and discover the roots of this technique. Let's start at the beginning. The concept of Yoga Nidra can be traced back to the Upanishads, from the ancient Sanskrit texts. These texts mention a state of consciousness between waking and sleeping. This state was considered ideal for deep relaxation and meditation. In the Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic, we find an interesting story. It describes how the god Krishna would enter a state of yogic sleep. In that state, he could remain aware while his body rested deeply. Moving forward in time, we come to the tantric traditions of the Middle Ages. These traditions developed practices involving deep relaxation and visualization. These practices laid the groundwork for what would become modern Yoga Nidra. In the early 20th century, we see the first steps towards the Yoga Nidra we know today. Swami Sivananda, a well-known yoga teacher, began teaching a practice called yoga sleep. This practice involved lying still and focusing on different parts of the body. But the person who really brought Yoga Nidra to the forefront was Swami Satyananda Saraswati. In the 1960s, he developed the modern technique of Yoga Nidra. Swami Satyananda combined ancient practices with his own insights and experiences. He structured Yoga Nidra as a systematic method of inducing complete physical, mental, and emotional relaxation. How do you actually practice Yoga Nidra? First, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Lie down on your back on a yoga mat or a comfortable surface. You can use a blanket to stay warm and place a small pillow under your head if needed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle in. Set an intention for your practice. It can be something simple like, I will relax deeply, or I will feel refreshed. Take a moment to connect with this intention. Next, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Don't try to change your breathing, just observe it. Then, do a body scan. Start by bringing your awareness to your right foot. Feel the connection between your foot and the floor. Gradually move your attention up to your right ankle, calf, knee, and thigh. Repeat this process for your left leg. Continue the body scan, moving up through your hips, lower back, and abdomen. Feel your chest rising and falling with each breath. Bring awareness to your fingers, hands, arms, and shoulders. Notice any tension in your neck and let it go. Feel the back of your head resting on the floor. Relax your face, including your jaw, eyes, and forehead. Now that you've scanned your entire body, imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you. This light represents deep relaxation and healing. Allow this light to flow through your entire body, from head to toe. As you lie here, completely relaxed, bring your attention back to your breath. Enjoy this state of deep rest for a few moments. The practice typically involves following a guided meditation during the body scan. Guided meditation is important because it leads you through different stages of awareness. You can use a recorded voice or an app for guided meditation. You can choose from several guided meditation voice recordings on YouTube. Hence, Yoga Nidra technique takes practitioners through different stages, including body scan, breath awareness, and visualization. Your guide, or recording, might lead you through various visualizations. These could include imagining peaceful scenes or colors or sounds. Let these images flow through your mind without attaching to them. When you're done, slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Stretch your body in any way that feels good. Swami Satyananda's approach made Yoga Nidra accessible to people from all walks of life. He removed the need for complex postures or breathing techniques. This made it possible for almost anyone to practice and benefit from Yoga Nidra. In the 1970s, Yoga Nidra began to spread beyond India. Western practitioners started to learn and teach this powerful relaxation technique. It gained popularity in yoga studios, wellness centers, and even some medical settings. As Yoga Nidra spread, different teachers developed their own variations. Richard Miller, for example, created a secularized version called I Rest in the 1990s. This adaptation made Yoga Nidra even more accessible to Western audiences. In recent years, scientific research has started to explore the benefits of Yoga Nidra. Studies have shown its potential for reducing stress, improving sleep, and even helping with PTSD. This research has further increased interest in and acceptance of Yoga Nidra. Today, Yoga Nidra is practiced around the world in various types of settings like studios, hospitals, clinics. The practice continues to evolve, with new applications being discovered all the time. Despite its growing popularity, the essence of Yoga Nidra remains the same. It's still about finding that space between waking and sleeping. It's about deep relaxation and inner awareness, just as it was thousands of years ago. Now, let's talk about why Yoga Nidra is so effective for sleep, that is so essential for our well-being, which in turn is tied to sustainability. Yoga Nidra helps calm your nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. This practice can lower your heart rate and blood pressure. It promotes the release of feel-good hormones like serotonin and dopamine. Many people report falling asleep faster and enjoying deeper sleep after practicing Yoga Nidra. You can practice it any time of day for a quick energy boost. You might be wondering, how is Yoga Nidra different from regular meditation? Well, in Yoga Nidra, you lie down comfortably, usually on your back. This position allows your body to completely relax. In traditional meditation, you often sit upright, which can be challenging for some people. So, from ancient texts to modern science, it's a practice that has stood the test of time. Have you tried Yoga Nidra? Share your experiences in the comments below. The best part? You don't need to be a yoga expert to try it. As you explore Yoga Nidra, be patient with yourself. It might feel strange or challenging at first. Your mind might wander, and that's okay. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to sink into deep relaxation. I hope this introduction to Yoga Nidra has sparked your interest. Why not give it a try and see how it can improve your well-being? If you found this video interesting, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more content like this.